Alright guys, back again. I'll let you know what my 12th item is, but before I show you what they are, the story is, well, when I first got my Jeep, it was, basically a white canvas. My Jeep, since it's white, including the hinges. The hinges were all white, so, they basically blend in, and for me, I'm the type that likes to clash with black and white. And there it is. My 12th item are the hinge covers, the black hinge covers for the door. And also the hood. There you go. And then back to the other side, the doors. Yeah, the reason I got the hinge covers, like I said, is to clash black and white, to make them stand out more. And to mention also, they help protect the hinges themselves from corrosion and other stuff on the trail, or anything to help protect it more. But as far as in reason I got it is mainly for aesthetics, is to make them stand out. So that is my 12th item, are the hinge covers. There you go guys, stay tuned for more. Peace.